you chewing on one side due to a specific reason or out of habit? Are you aware that this habit can potentially lead to snoring in addition to temporomandibular joint disorder, TMD, neuralgias, and neck pain, such as spondylitis? One-side chewing can have various implications on dental health and overall well-being of individuals. It's important to be aware of the potential consequences. One may chew from one side due to various reasons, such as missing teeth, large bulky crowns without proper anatomical integrity, or improper dental fillings. However, there are some situations where asymmetrical chewing, such as chewing predominantly on one side of the mouth, could potentially contribute to muscular imbalances in the jaw and throat area. This imbalance could result in one side becoming stronger or more developed than the other. Over time, this could affect the alignment of the jaw and throat muscles, potentially contributing to snoring. Additionally, it can exert heavy forces beyond optimal levels on the occipital bone, leading to temporomandibular joint disorder, TMD, and pain in the cervical neck region, resembling symptoms of spondylitis. In conclusion, it's crucial to have your occlusal forces evaluated for optimal levels before seeking help from neurologists or orthopedic physicians. Through techniques like T-scan analysis, occlusal forces can be quantified. If these forces exceed optimal levels, they can lead to serious health issues. What might seem like simple one-sided chewing is far from innocent. It can cause significant health hazards. Therefore, taking proactive steps to assess and manage occlusal forces is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being.